the other bedtime stories. Subscribe and like for the channel. Hope you love our channel. Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Tanvir. The next story is Cat and the Birds. So, once there lived a cat without food and it was losing its weight. So, he heard that his neighbor birds got ill. It was just a lie from Mr. Bear. So, he knew that they were ill. So, after one day, he went to the bird's house and said, "It's doctor, open the door. I'll give you a pill," said the cat. And the birds didn't hear that. He said loudly, he said, "Come on, it's me, the doctor. Please, can you come here?" Here, said the cat. So, the cat didn't see that even a bird didn't come near it. At the last, he shouted like, "Hey, it's the doctor. I'll give you a pill. You'll be good," he said. Then, at last, the two birds came, and the swallow said, "Don't open the door," whispering to the parrot. And the parrot said,
How smart are you?
"How smart are you? You cannot beat us. We are not ill. Go away, then come when we are ill," said the parrot. Then he didn't agree. He said, "Please open the door. It's me, the real doctor." They still didn't open the door and said, "If you come here again, I'll kill you," said the parrot. And the parrot said, "Yes, it's not a lie." That means swallow said, "Yes, it's not a lie." They both were ill, but they were saying lies. Then the cat went away to the home. Thank you. Good night.